In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Odoo error 400 redirect URI underscore mismatch step by step using Odoo's built-in settings. This error usually appears when you're trying to connect Odoo with an external service, enable API access, or authenticate using OAuth, and the redirect URL doesn't match what Odoo expects. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and it's easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside Odoo so you can resolve this without touching any code. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Odoo instance. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main home screen of Odoo where you can see your apps and dashboard. From here, we need to access the system settings. Go to the top menu and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the section called Users and Companies. This is where Odoo manages user access, permissions, and advanced configuration options related to accounts and authentication. Click on Users and Companies to continue. Next, click on Users. This will open the list of all users in your Odoo database. From here, we're going to access additional configuration options that are required to fix the redirect URI mismatch error. Once you're in the User section, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you deeper into the system configuration area. Now, click on General Settings. This page contains global Odoo settings that affect integrations, APIs, and authentication behavior. Scroll through the General Settings page until you find the highlighted configuration area related to developer or technical features. In many cases, the redirect URI mismatch error happens because API access or developer mode is not fully enabled or properly saved. Click on the highlighted options shown on screen to make sure advanced features are available. Continue scrolling until you see the option for Manage API Keys. This is a critical step. Click on Manage API Keys to open the API configuration panel. This is where Odoo controls how external services authenticate with your system. Once you're here, carefully review your settings. If you've made any changes, make sure to click Save before moving forward. Skipping this step is a very common mistake and can cause the redirect URI mismatch error to keep appearing. After saving, look for the Keys option and click on it. This is where your API keys are stored and managed. When external services connect to Odoo, they rely on these keys and the correct redirect URI configuration. Make sure that the redirect URI used by your external app exactly matches the one expected by Odoo. Even small differences like HTTP versus HTTPS, a missing slash, or a different domain will trigger the 400 redirect URI mismatch error. Once everything matches correctly and your settings are saved, the error should be resolved. You can now retry your authentication or integration and confirm that it works without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Odoo error 400 redirect URI mismatch by adjusting the correct settings inside Odoo. If this video saved you time or frustration, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo how-to guides, error fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.